Hello friend, welcome back to clickbait's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a very exciting thing. If you are new to the YouTube platform or social media, this thing you need to know because it is going to help you a lot. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to tell you a lot of details which will going to help you. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can increase the number of subscribers in your YouTube platform. So there are a couple of things which you need to know as a content creator, and if you are new to the YouTube platform, you should know this thing definitely. So first, we are going to talk like what are the mistakes as a like new content creator we do. Like there are a couple of things which I have listed down, and we are going to talk on that, and this is going to help you also. First thing first, the mistake I'm going to tell you is that a thumbnail. So for example, if you have very like generic or boring thumbnail, the new audience will not come to your platform or your YouTube channel. So the thing here is that whenever you make the thumbnail, it should be very eye-catching, and it should bring the like attention to the audience, and it should create the curiosity in your audience that there is something they should go and click on that. If your thumbnail is very boring, it's not eye-catching, new audience is not going to come in your channel. So that is a very important thing. Whenever you're creating the thumbnail, make sure it is very eye-catching, and it should bring the people attention, and it should create curiosity in your audience also. This is the first thing. Second thing, whenever you're creating the video or your any YouTube content, make sure there is a hook always. What is the hook? I'm going to tell you that hook is that like why should people watch your video? What is there? What is it is going to give them as a benefit if they are watching your video? What is bringing them as a like a new thing in your video? So always you make sure there should be hook. The hook I can give you with the example like that. If the new audience is coming to your channel and they are expecting something in return, like in exchange, like if they are subscribing, you are going to give them very good content. If there is not good content or not good hook, they are not going to subscribe it, or they are going to leave your video middle of the way and then go to the other thing. So this is the very important thing. There should be always a very good hook or information that brings the people attention. The other thing, like whenever you're creating the like thumbnail, you can use this like when you can put like thumbnail, you can mention things like that. There's a limited time offer going on, go grab this thing. There's a free stock of those things, go grab that, or like go get the free premium service based on this. So if you put those things in your thumbnail or in your video, people is definitely going to watch it, and they are going to pay attention to that. So this is called hook. This is just example, but you come with a different kind of idea whenever you're creating the video content. This is the third thing. This is the second thing. The third thing we are going to talk that when you are creating the thumbnail, you have to make sure like it is representing your video content. It should not be like misleading your audience. Let's say if you are creating the thumbnail for like how to monetize the YouTube channel, and you are putting in your thumbnail like what was the latest update in 2 days, or you are putting your thumbnail like what celebrity is doing. If you are putting the wrong information in your thumbnail and people are going there, and like let's say today's trending thing was like US election, you are using those things in your thumbnail, so people go and check what is the going in US election, and when they go to the video and they are checking and they find that there is totally different thing, they are going to leave the video half the way, and they are not going to subscribe to your channel. So this is very important. Whatever thumbnail you are creating, you are creating the content, video content, so you are going to use the same thumbnail, or your thumbnail should represent the same thing what you have used in your video content. So this is very important thing. Fourth thing, I want you to know that sometimes all the people are not watching the video in the like a PC or laptop. Sometimes they watch from the mobile also, or like a tablet or iPhone or Android, whatever the devices are there. So most of the people are going to watch through the devices. So you have to make sure when you create the thumbnail, it should bring the same attention to the mobile user or the devices user or hand devices user, so they can see the thumbnail is properly, and they can like look it properly, and it should be eye-catching also. So you have to also pay attention when you are creating the thumbnail. It should be looking good in your mobile devices. So this is a very like fourth thing. The fifth thing, as a mistake we do, you should keep updating your thumbnail. Like you can keep updating your thumbnail whenever the like For example, you have uploaded the video, but down the line something happened in that video, or the same topic is discussed, and you can go and update your thumbnail. It will let you update your thumbnail, so it will make your video video more refreshed. It will look very refreshed and updated, so you can keep updating your thumbnail. So these are the things, as a new content creator or new YouTuber, we make the mistake. That's why I wanted to share with you. And if we overcome this mistake, your subscriber is definitely gonna go up, so there is no doubt. So overall, I'm going to tell you that you focus on creating the very good thumbnail. This is the eye-catching. This is the first step where the people is going to come in your platform and watch your video and subscribe to your channel. So please create a very good and exciting thumbnail, eye-catching thumbnail. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit and subscribe my channel, and let me know in comment if you like more such videos. We are going to definitely create those kind of video, and stay tuned for the next video.